Today I am reviewing the LG 65-inch OLED Evo AI 4K C5 Series Smart TV. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a premium cinematic and gaming experience at home, the LG 65-inch OLED Evo AI 4K C5 Series Smart TV is one of the most impressive TVs available in 2025. This is not just another 4K television. It's the culmination of over a decade of LG's OLED expertise, featuring perfect blacks, vivid colors, and intelligent AI-driven processing that delivers an immersive viewing experience. Starting with the OLED Evo panel, this TV uses over 8.3 million self-lit pixels that create perfect black and perfect color. Unlike traditional LED TVs that rely on backlights, each pixel in an OLED display lights up independently. This means deep, absolute blacks, rich colors, and infinite contrast. Whether you're watching a dark thriller or a bright action movie, the image quality remains stunning without washed-out areas or halo effects. LG's brightness booster technology takes this a step further by amplifying the brightness of individual pixels. Even in well-lit rooms, the images stay crisp, vivid, and eye-catching. In fact, the LG OLED C5 has been verified by UL for glare-free viewing, so whether it's sunny outside or you have a bright living room, the picture remains clear without straining your eyes. At the heart of this TV is the Alpha 9 AI Processor Gen 8, which is the engine behind everything that makes this TV exceptional. It uses AI super upscaling to enhance even standard HD content to near 4K quality, intelligently adjusting details, texture, and color for each scene. Movies, TV shows, or sports, everything looks sharper, smoother, and more lifelike. Colors pop, motion stays fluid, and every frame feels intentional, almost like the director designed it for this exact screen. Speaking of the director's vision, the C5 comes loaded with Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, and Filmmaker Mode. With Dolby Vision, colors, contrast, and brightness are enhanced scene by scene, giving your movies that cinematic wow factor. Dolby Atmos provides immersive sound that surrounds you, so explosions, ambient noises, and dialogue feel like they're happening in your living room. Filmmaker Mode lets you see films exactly as the director intended, without artificial processing or motion smoothing, giving a true-to-life movie experience. This TV also excels for gaming enthusiasts. With a 0.1 milliseconds response time, up to 144 Hz refresh rate, and support for NVIDIA G-Sync, AMD FreeSync Premium, and VRR, gamers can enjoy ultra-smooth motion and near-instant response. Fast-paced action games and competitive FPS titles feel crisp, with no motion blur or screen tearing. The game dashboard and game optimizer make it easy to customize settings, monitor performance, and optimize visuals for every type of game. Plus, 4 HDMI 2.1 ports ensure you can connect multiple consoles or PCs without constantly swapping cables. The smart features are just as impressive. The TV includes Alexa built-in, so you can control it with your voice, search for content, or control other smart home devices. Whether it's streaming your favorite shows, browsing apps, or casting content from your mobile devices, the interface is fast and intuitive, making navigation effortless. In addition to its performance, the design of the LG C5 OLED is sleek and elegant. The minimalist frame allows the picture to take center stage, making it a stunning centerpiece in any living room or entertainment area. The TV is slim, lightweight, and blends seamlessly into modern home setups. In summary, the LG 65-inch OLED Evo AI 4K C5 Series Smart TV offers a perfect combination of cinematic visuals, immersive sound, smart features, and next-level gaming performance. Whether you're a movie enthusiast, a serious gamer, or someone who just wants a stunning viewing experience, this TV delivers on every front. From its perfect blacks and brilliant color to Dolby Atmos audio and lightning-fast gaming capabilities, the LG C5 is one of the most complete and advanced TVs you can get in 2025.